Hello. I'm Joey. I am part of AI. I will be the one who conducting this presentation video. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a field in computer science that studies intelligent behavior. In a nutshell, AI can be broadly considered as systems capable of achieving goals in complex environments. As the hype around AI has accelerated, vendors have been scrambling to promote how their products and services use AI. Often what they refer to as AI is simply one component of AI, such as machine learning. AI requires a foundation of specialized hardware and software for writing and training machine learning algorithms. No one programming language is synonymous with AI, but a few, including Python, R and Java, are popular. In general, AI systems work by ingesting large amounts of labeled training data, analyzing the data for correlations and patterns, and using these patterns to make predictions about future states. In this way, a chatbot that is fed examples of text chats can learn to produce lifelike exchanges with people, or an image recognition tool can learn to identify and describe objects and images by reviewing millions of examples. AI programming focuses on three cognitive skills: learning, reasoning, and self-correction. This aspect of AI programming focuses on acquiring data and creating rules for how to turn the data into actionable information. This aspect of AI programming focuses on choosing the right algorithm to reach a desired outcome. This aspect of AI programming is designed to continually fine-tune algorithms and ensure they provide the most accurate results possible. To understand why artificial intelligence is so important, to consider a few examples. In 2018, Google launched its newest AI-related project. It's a program called Duplex that makes phone calls and interacts with people in the most natural and human-like way possible. Apple's Siri is another example of artificial intelligence being used in technological products. Good at detail-oriented jobs, delivers consistent results, reduce time for data-heavy tasks, AI-powered virtual agents are always available. Expensive, requires deep technical expertise, only knows what it's been shown, limited supply of qualified workers to build AI tools, lack of ability to generalize from one task to another. Strong artificial intelligence, also known as artificial general intelligence, describes programming that can replicate the cognitive abilities of the human brain. When presented with an unfamiliar task, a strong AI system can use fuzzy logic to apply knowledge from one domain to another and find a solution autonomously. In theory, a strong AI program should be able to pass both a Turing test and the Chinese room test. Weak AI, also known as narrow AI, is an AI system that is designed and trained to complete a specific task. Industrial robots and virtual personal assistants, such as Apple's Siri, use weak AI. There are four types of artificial intelligence: reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, and self-awareness. Augmented intelligence versus artificial intelligence. Some researchers and marketers hope the label augmented intelligence, which has a more neutral connotation, will help people understand that most implementations of AI will be weak and simply improve products and services. Examples include automatically surfacing important information in business intelligence reports or highlighting important information in legal filings. True AI, or artificial general intelligence, is closely associated with the concept of the technological singularity, a future ruled by an artificial superintelligence that far surpasses the human brain's ability to understand it or how it is shaping our reality. This remains within the realm of science fiction, though some developers are working on the problem. Many believe that technologies such as quantum computing could play an important role in making AI a reality, and that we should reserve the use of the term AI for this kind of general intelligence. While AI tools present a range of new functionality for businesses, the use of artificial intelligence also raises ethical questions because, for better or worse, an AI system will reinforce what it has already learned. This can be problematic because machine learning algorithms, which underpin many of the most advanced AI tools, are only as smart as the data they are given in training. Because a human being selects what data is used to train an AI program, the potential for machine learning bias is inherent and must be monitored closely. Because hardware, software and staffing costs for AI can be expensive, many vendors are including AI components in their standard offerings or providing access to artificial intelligence as a service platforms. AI allows individuals and companies to experiment with AI for various business purposes and sample multiple platforms before making a commitment. Popular AI cloud offerings include Amazon AI, IBM Watson Assistant, Microsoft Cognitive Services, Google AI. Thank you for your time.